Hello, my name is Tara Malachi, and today I will demonstrate how you can safely and quickly apply for services online with Coast to Coast Legal Aid of South Florida. During this demonstration, I will show you how to submit an application for legal issues involving public benefits. Before you apply, we suggest you have a few things handy, such as your complete address, citizenship information, social security number, the number of people living in the household, monthly income of each person in your household, including yourself, the monthly expenses of each person living in your household, including yourself, the adverse party's name and date of birth. The adverse party can also be a business or organization. And it's important to note a household is defined as individuals who pool their monies together in order to share expenses in the household. Applying online is really easy. Log on to our website, www.coasttocoastlegalaid.org, from your computer, tablet, or other mobile device. Today, I will show you how to log on and complete that application. Log on to our website, www.coasttocoastlegalaid.org. Look for the upper right-hand corner button that is labeled Apply Online for Legal Services. Click on that button to begin. Once you've clicked on that Apply Online for Services button, you should see a page that reads Online Application for Legal Services. Here you'll have a chance to select the language you prefer to complete the application in. Continue. You'll receive a reminder suggesting that you have some information handy. Again, the complete address, citizenship information, social security information, and other valid or important information. Once you've reviewed this section, you can continue. Select the county of residence. You'll be directed to answer some yes or no questions. Once you've answered those questions, you can continue. The next page you'll see is our application for services page. Here's where you'll find some detailed information about submitting your application. You'll also be advised of certain circumstances when you should not complete this application. If you have an emergency or short deadline, have a court date that is scheduled within 2 weeks from the date that you'd like to submit the application. If you've gotten notice your house will be foreclosed on within 15 days of the date that you are wishing to apply online, do not complete the application. If you have a deadline within 20 days, such as a scheduled court date, if you have an eviction or foreclosure, if you have been served with legal documents, or you have a temporary injunction with a hearing, please do not complete the application. You'll be directed to call 954-318-4460 for assistance. Once you've read this page, you'll be asked to agree that you've read the information and agree to the terms described on the page. If you agree, click yes and continue. The continue button should be on your lower right-hand side of your page. Next, you'll have some screening questions. These are yes or no questions. Answer those questions. For the purposes of this demonstration, I am answering no. However, please answer the questions as best for you and your matter. Once you've completed the screening questions and you've answered all of them, continue. The next thing you'll be asked to do is select a problem category which closely describes the problem you're having. Feel free to read through the descriptions of the problem categories. For this demonstration today, I'm choosing an issue with a public benefit, such as food stamps, cash assistance, Social Security. Scroll down to the bottom of that page. You'll see a drop-down menu. It's where you'll choose your problem category. So I've chosen government benefit or welfare programs for food or cash. I'll continue. Next, you'll be directed to our demographic page. Please complete this information. Provide your full name, address, contact phone number. If you have more than one number, please leave an additional phone number. We'll ask you if it is safe to contact you at the telephone number or numbers provided. We'll ask you if it's safe to text you at your mobile number if you provided a mobile number. If there's a best time to reach you, you can also provide that information to us as well. If you have an email address that you'd like us to have and give us permission to contact you at, you can provide that as well. You'll just continue through the demographic section until you've completed everything. You'll be asked to submit or enter the name of the adverse party, which is the person or organization that is causing your legal problem. So today I've chosen DCF as the legal or the adverse party that's causing me a legal problem. And I've chosen the type of business that I think it is, state agency. After you've completed all of the information, you'll be instructed or guided to continue. And the next set of questions is regarding household information. Enter the number of people in your household that are 18 and over. Enter the number of people in your household that are under 18. Provide your current living situation. For today's demonstration, I'm choosing owning home. And then you'll move on to the financial information page. On the financial page, specify income and expenses for you and any other member of your household. You will need to provide or specify a type, the frequency, and amount. So I'm going to choose employment as my source of income. I'm going to choose the frequency as weekly. And the amount that I am paid from my employer every week, I'll enter as $400. Regarding medical expenses, you can always add if you have more, or you can minimize or subtract from this area accordingly. For today, I'm going to select mortgage as an expense type. For the frequency in which I pay my mortgage, I'm choosing monthly, and I'm paying $500 per month for my mortgage. I also have another expense, which are my medical expenses. I pay them, I'll say monthly, and I pay $100 per month towards my medical expenses. After you've entered all of your financial information, continue. You'll then be asked to select a legal problem that best describes your legal situation or matter. Today, I'm choosing Social Security. And then you'll answer the questions that arrive after you've entered your legal problem. Once you've completed those questions, you should receive a message stating you may qualify for assistance. Please click on the continue button to review the application or review the information entered. Please review and confirm your information. Be sure that your contact information is accurate. After you've reviewed your application, you can submit it at the bottom right-hand side. And finally, you will land on a page, if your application has been accepted, that says Finish. Application submission result. Your application has been successfully submitted to Coast to Coast Legal Aid of South Florida. According to the answers you provided, you may qualify for services. Note that this is just a preliminary application. We are going to need more information about you. You will be contacted within approximately 2 business days to confirm all of the information entered. At this point, after you've read this section, if you are satisfied, you can exit. You have completed your application. So that is the end of my presentation. I thank you very much. If there are any questions, please contact us at 954-736-2400. Again, that's 954-736-2400. Thank you.